Welcome back. We've got some movers that we want to run through with you this morning. And a surprise one this morning, I think for all of us, is Rite Aid, Brian Sozzi. It is down 17%. You're not surprised?
Nope.
Did you know that there was going to be an analyst call come out today and send the stock down 17%?
Well, I go to the I'm out Rite Aid stores, Julie. There's a Rite Aid right by my local Target. You know what store is packed? That Target, and not the Rite Aid, which is a completely barren wasteland. Look, I totally dig this note by George Hill. He covers Rite Aid for Deutsche Bank, sees the stock as a sell. He's been covering the space for some time, essentially saying that the company is insolvent. They will report earnings in a couple weeks, and Hill is making the case they are not going to generate enough adjusted operating profits to remain an operating company. This is a very alarming note. This is the correct stock market reaction. And overall, it's just looking like an ugly situation at Rite Aid when they report earnings in a few weeks.
Well, I remain surprised that this note came out and that it is having this outsized effect on the stock and that his comments are so dramatic. The price target, did you say what the price target was? It's $1. And you see the stock is trading under. Even with the declines today, the stock is trading just under $7 a share. So obviously, or just over $7 right now. So obviously that would be considerably more downside from these levels. And, you know, one of the things that he's looking at, among other things, is that Rite Aid had this, like many of the pharmacy chains, had this sort of inflation over the past couple of years because of COVID-related business, administering vaccines, selling tests, and the like. And now that is diminishing, right? So that boost that it got over the past couple of years is not sustained.
Well, I'll just go further here too, Julie. Going back to my own local locations, you walk inside of a Target, you can do all your grocery shopping, you can get all of your cosmetics, and then if you need your pills, you go into the CVS that's inside of the Target. Now, these are things that are actually happening here and go a long way to explain how and why Rite Aid has not been able to hold onto its market share over the past few years, and that's excluding the great recovery over at Walgreens led by new CEO Roz Brewer.